Scout Automobile. Welcome to Start. The moment the name 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL enters the conversation, the atmosphere changes. This is not a car that asks for attention. This is a car that creates silence around it. Silence filled with respect, curiosity, and desire. The Mythos SL feels like something that was not built for today alone, but designed to be remembered tomorrow. It carries the soul of classic roadsters, the confidence of modern engineering, and the royal DNA of Maybach, all fused into one breathtaking creation. From the very first glance, the Mythos SL tells you a story without speaking. The proportions are long, low, and dramatic. The hood stretches forward like a runway, smooth and powerful, hinting at the energy hidden beneath. The front fascia is unmistakably Maybach, yet completely new. The grille stands tall with vertical chrome lines that reflect light like fine jewelry. This is not aggressive design. This is authoritative design. The kind that doesn't shout, yet dominates everything around it. As you walk around the car, every angle reveals a new emotion. The side profile flows like liquid metal, uninterrupted, elegant, and confident. The wheels are massive, sculpted, and luxurious, filling the arches perfectly. Chrome accents are placed with restraint, never excessive, always tasteful. The rear is clean and wide, with slim taillights that glow softly, like a signature rather than a warning. At night, the Mythos SL looks like a moving piece of art, glowing quietly, owning the road without effort. This is a roadster, but not the playful kind. This is a roadster for people who understand power and refinement. With the roof down, the Mythos SL becomes an open invitation to the world. Sky above, road below, and nothing in between except pure experience. Wind flows gently, never harsh. Carefully managed by advanced aerodynamics, every drive feels intentional, cinematic, and deeply personal. Step inside, and you instantly forget the outside world. The interior of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL is a sanctuary. It doesn't feel like a car cabin, it feels like a private lounge designed for motion. The leather is soft, rich, and alive. Hand-stitched patterns run across seats and panels with absolute precision. Touch any surface and you feel warmth, quality, and craftsmanship. There is nothing plastic, nothing cheap, nothing ordinary. The seats are sculpted to perfection. They hold you gently, comfortably, confidently. Long drives feel effortless. Short drives feel special. Heating, cooling, massage functions work seamlessly, adapting to your body and mood. The color combinations are bold yet elegant, blending classic Maybach luxury with modern sportness. Light tones create openness. Darker accents add depth and authority. The dashboard flows naturally, wrapping around the driver without feeling aggressive. A large, beautifully curved display sits at the center, crisp, clear, and smooth. The interface is Maybach exclusive, calm and elegant, designed to reduce stress rather than create it. Animations are fluid, controls respond instantly, and everything feels intuitive. You don't need to learn this system, it understands you. Ambient lighting transforms the interior into a living space. Soft light flows along the doors, dashboard, and footwells, adjustable to match your mood. Calm blues for night cruising, warm ambers for relaxed drives, deep reds when you want a hint of drama. The cabin breathes with you, reacts to you, and enhances every moment. Then there is the steering wheel. Thick, premium, perfectly shaped. Buttons feel solid and precise. Behind it, the digital instrument cluster presents information in a clean, elegant way. Speed, navigation, performance data, all displayed beautifully without clutter. You feel informed, not overwhelmed, but the true magic of the Mythos SL lies beneath its elegance. This car is expected to be powered by a hand-built high-performance engine, possibly a V8 or V12, combined with advanced electrification. Power delivery is smooth, refined, and relentless. Press the accelerator and the response is immediate, yet controlled. There is no sudden chaos, only a strong, confident surge forward, like the car is simply revealing its true nature. Acceleration feels effortless. The road disappears beneath you, scenery blurs, and yet inside the cabin, everything remains calm. No vibration, no harsh noise, just a deep, refined engine note reminding you that you are driving something extraordinary. High speeds feel natural, comfortable, almost relaxing. This is power without drama, performance without stress. The suspension system is a masterpiece of modern engineering. Adaptive air suspension constantly reads the road, adjusting in milliseconds. Rough surfaces become smooth, sharp corners feel composed, and long highways turn into floating experiences. Whether you want comfort or dynamic driving, the Mythos SL adapts instantly. It never feels stiff, never feels soft, it feels perfectly balanced. Steering is precise yet relaxed. You feel connected to the road, but never tense. The car moves exactly where you want it to go, responding to your intentions rather than forcing its own behavior. This is a driver's Maybach designed not just to be driven but to be enjoyed. Braking performance is strong, confident, and reassuring. Large, powerful brakes slow the car down effortlessly, maintaining stability and control at all times. Even during spirited driving, the Mythos SL remains composed, predictable, and safe. Speaking of safety, the 2026 Mythos SL is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control maintains perfect distance. Lane assistance keeps you centered naturally. Blind spot monitoring watches silently. Predictive braking reacts faster than human reflexes. All of this works quietly in the background, never interrupting the experience, always protecting it. And then comes the sound system. A Maybach-tuned premium audio experience that feels like a private concert hall. Speakers are perfectly placed to surround you with sound, not noise. Every note is clear, every instrument distinct. Bass is deep but controlled. Vocals feel close, personal, alive. With the roof down, the system automatically adjusts, ensuring perfect sound even in open air. This car is built for people who value exclusivity. Production numbers are limited. Customization options are extensive. Exterior colors range from classic elegance to bold, unique finishes. Interiors can be personalized with different leathers, stitching patterns, trims, and details. Even small elements can be tailored to reflect your identity. Owning a Mythos SL means owning something that few others ever will. On city streets, the Mythos SL feels regal. People turn their heads, not because it's loud, but because it's different. On highways, it feels unstoppable, smooth, confident, endless. On coastal roads, with the sun setting and roof down, it feels poetic. Every environment brings out a new personality, yet the core remains the same. Luxury, power, and emotion in perfect harmony. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL represents a bold statement from Maybach. It shows that ultra-luxury doesn't have to be reserved for the back seat. This is a car for those who love to drive, who love to feel the road, who want performance without sacrificing comfort, and luxury without losing soul. Time feels different inside this car. Drives feel longer, moments feel richer, memories feel stronger. You don't rush. You don't compete, you simply experience, and once you experience the Mythos SL, ordinary cars lose their charm. This is not just a vehicle. This is not just a Roadster. This is not just a Maybach. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos. The SL is a myth brought to life, designed for those who don't follow paths, they create them.